Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see by the title, it is a clean with me video, and today I am starting with my laundry. I definitely need to put this load in the washer while I actually clean my downstairs. If you guys are new here to my channel, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. I am a stay-at-home mom and I have a 1.5-year-old son. He actually will be 2 in November, so coming soon. And I do like to make a lot of cleaning videos, shop with me videos, vlogs, day in the lives, and even fashion videos. So if you guys are interested in watching those, make sure you guys are subscribed. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how my house currently looks. And my son was playing down here, so he has all of my pillows and all of his toys all over the house. So I definitely need to get those picked up as always. And it's more of a deep cleaning that I do need to do, which is like clean my coffee table and clean my buffet and just make sure I pick up everything and organize everything and put things that don't belong in the living room away, even in the kitchen and all of that. So that is definitely what I need to do today, and I haven't actually cleaned in a few days, so it definitely needs a cleaning, even my floors, and I just need to sweep and mop. So yeah, that's what I will be cleaning today, and also just my kitchen, make sure I clean it all, and my dining table, just put things that don't belong there away. And yeah, just clean everything. And if you guys are in need of some motivation, make sure you guys watch my video, and I hope you guys do enjoy watching. By the way, if you guys are one of my returning subscribers, I am so sorry and apologize for not uploading a video sooner. I know it has been about 5 or 6 days that I haven't uploaded like a cleaning video for you guys, but I honestly have been so busy the month of August. I know now we are in September, so I hope that I can get my routine back and make some videos for you guys. So as always, what I'm going to start by doing is just picking up all of my baby's toys and just putting them in the room that we have down here, and just making sure I pick up everything that, you know, he threw, and all of like his little shoes, because he loves to, you know, open the drawers here in my buffet and just take out like the little shoes that I have there for him and all of that. So I am going to be removing this big toy and putting it also in the room, because I definitely need to have everything cleared before I do sweep or mop. So also in this video, I just want to give you guys an update of what has been going on and why I actually haven't been uploading videos and all of that. So for the month of August, we actually did have my parents' birthdays plus my in-laws' birthdays. And also my oldest brother's birthday is in August, so it's just a month full of birthdays, and that's why I haven't actually been uploading. Plus, there's just been like appointments that I have actually had to go to and all of this and that. So it's just been a busy month. But for the month of August, I did promise myself that I do want to upload constantly and get more videos out for you guys. So make sure you guys are subscribed, and also click on the bell. That way you guys don't miss a video, because I right now don't have a schedule of when I do upload a new video, but I definitely want to make one. So once I do decide, you know, when I do want to upload videos, I will definitely let you guys know. I'm sorry guys, I feel like I've just been talking and not really doing a voiceover for this cleaning video, but I definitely just wanted to get you guys up to date and let you know what has been going on for the month of August and why I haven't been uploading like constantly, or how I actually had before. But also this month is actually my birthday month. My birthday is on September 17th. Let me know if you guys have the same birthday, or if you guys are Virgos, or what your horoscope is. When is your birthday? Let me know in the comment section down below. So since this video is pretty much me of just talking about random things, I'm just gonna let you know another thing that happened in the month of August. So my son did actually have a higher temperature for 2 nights. This happened right after the car show that we actually went to. So I am thinking that it happened because of the heat from that day, because it was super hot, and he did drink some lemonade, but he didn't want to drink like any water or anything. So I honestly think that he might have gotten like a little bit of dehydration. So he did get a temperature that night. His temperature was like 101.7, and then the same thing happened the next day. Plus, when he did take a nap, that same thing happened. He got like a higher temperature. Let me know if this is something that has happened to any of your kids, or if you guys have gone through anything similar. But I was so worried, but thank God he was acting normal. Nothing out of the ordinary. He was acting himself when he was awake. It was just that his temperature was higher when he was sleeping. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are enjoying this video. This is the first video that I make that I'm just randomly talking about different things. And if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you guys do give it a thumbs up so I know, or leave me a comment. So for my next cleaning video, I kind of want to do like a Q&A with that video, just me answering questions when I am cleaning. So I want to have you guys ask me any questions that you guys like in the comment section down below in this video. That way I do get those answered on my next cleaning video. So for the last video that I actually filmed for you guys and uploaded, it was actually a shop with me. I did go to Home Goods, and I didn't end up actually showing you guys what I got that day. But I do actually want to film a haul video for you guys very soon of all of the home decor pieces that I actually did get. I ended up getting a lot of fall decor and a lot of Halloween decor items. By the way, let me know in the comment section down below when you guys actually start decorating for the fall or for Halloween. I actually have been seeing a lot of videos that people actually already started decorating their homes for Halloween and for the fall, but honestly, I think it is a little bit too soon for me. But let me know when you guys actually start decorating your homes. So here you will actually see that my husband actually is home. He actually just ended up getting home here, and he's actually gonna be taking his shower. So while he's taking his shower, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish cleaning, because our son was actually with my mother-in-law, so we had to just go pick him up. So this just gave me time to go ahead and clean the house just peacefully and without him running all over the place. So here I'm just getting my broom, that way I can go ahead and sweep my floors and get them ready to go ahead and mop. So I do want to give a special thanks to everybody that actually voted on my community tab. I did actually put a post asking all of you guys that watch my videos what you guys prefer watching on my channel, but this is just more for me to kind of know, because honestly I'm not gonna like stop uploading like vlogs or day in the lives or cleaning videos or home decor videos or fashion. I just want my channel to kind of just have everything in one. And if you guys are looking for something in specific, I do have my playlists, which, you know, I have all of the videos listed on there. So make sure you definitely go and check those out if you guys are, you know, in need of watching a specific type of videos. But thank you guys so much, because that definitely helps me know what you guys like to watch and what you guys prefer watching, so I just can make more of that. And I know a lot of you guys actually picked home decor videos, and I am so sorry that I have not uploaded like any home decor videos. I am telling you guys, I have been wanting to film like home decor and decorate with me videos and all of that, but I've just been so busy, and you know, with having a toddler, it is really hard to have specific things like, you know, on my coffee table and things like that. But I do want to change things up, so I am planning on making a video decorating with me, so make sure you guys are staying tuned for that video. So I finally finished sweeping my house, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pick all of that dirt and then just throw this away. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start on mopping my floors. By the way, guys, if you guys have not subscribed to my Spanish channel, make sure you guys go ahead and do. I actually just created this channel, and I would love any support from you guys that you guys can give me, because this channel, I am basically starting over. If you guys have any video requests, make sure you guys are leaving them in the comment section down below, what you guys would like to see, and I hope I can definitely get those filmed for you guys and upload them. So I want to know who is actually ready for the fall and the fall weather. Right now where I actually live, it's still summertime and it's super hot, so I am definitely looking forward to the fall. However, I hate the rain, so that's something that I am definitely not looking forward to. And I know, guys, I am still using this big old mop to go ahead and mop my floors, but I haven't actually been able to find the O'Shetter mop that everybody tells me that I need to get, so I hope to buy that soon. If I don't find it in any store, I know I can always count on Amazon. Amazon has it all. And if you guys haven't realized, I do have my Amazon page where you can actually shop my style. So anything that you like from my home, any home decor item, you might find it on that website. So make sure you guys check it out. I do have the link in the description box below. Alright guys, I just finally finished cleaning my house, and I'm just gonna show you guys an overview of how everything looks. And I'm just so happy that it's finally nice and clean and there is no toys all over the place, but I know that won't last for long. My coffee table, my buffet, the only thing I do need to actually clean is the mirror here above my buffet, but I will have actually my husband clean that for me. And this is how everything looks from my entryway, and I just love how shiny and how clean everything is. The only thing I do actually still need to clean is the chandelier, which hopefully I do buy the cleaner soon. That way I can get this all clean. And here is my dining table. and also my kitchen. And here is my living room and how everything looks. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this clean with me video and did get some motivation from watching it. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to click that subscribe button, comment, and like the video.